My name is K. Himaja, working as lecturer in EEE Department, SRRS Government Polytechnic, Sirisilla. Today I will explain about the wires and earthing. So different wires of used in house wiring. Homes are wired with different types of wire like basic wire, cable wire, telephone wire, TV wire and accessories and home networking wires. Each type of wiring has its specific use to house the load and conditions it is exposed to. For commercial and outdoor purposes, wiring ID very different and mainly heavy duty wires. Wires. Wires are copper or tinned copper, the most common conductor in home wiring with minimum resistance that come for reasonable cost. Wires are usually grouped by gauge number ranging from 00 to 40. Smaller the number, thicker is the wire. For residential or home, wire gauge ranging from 10 to 20 are used. So depends on gauge the wires are using. So for AC, for washing machines, the current ratings are different. So depends on application, use the different gauges. Next one is the cable wire. Cable denotes a collection of two or more strands of wire. Cable have basically three wire running phase, neutral and grounding wire. Cables are categorized according to the number of wires running through it and its size and gauge. So in general 2 core, 3 core, so different wires are present. Sometimes 5 core also present. Telephone wire. This type of wires are used for low voltage control, especially for communication and alarm purpose. Braided, twisted and plastic jacketed are most common type of thermostat wiring. Twisted cable wiring has no outer braid and is used for doorbells, burglar alarms and telephone systems. So the gauge using in telephone wires are very less. Next one is the TV wire. Television lead in wire connects the receiving set to the antenna that is installed on society roof. Good quality 300 ohm wire is used for both VHF and UHF receivers. Next one, home networking and modern wires. Home networking wires include connecting multiple computers, audio systems, etc. The networking hub is a device where wiring from different locations come together to meet. So in home networking for laptops, computers and for other smart devices use the different gauges. Next one, multi-strand wires. Multi-strand wire is a collection of number of small gauge or size wires wrapped together to form a large number that is a multi-stranded wire. There are different sizes available in multi-stranded wire starting from 1 square meter, 1.5 square meter, 2.5 square meter and 4 square meter. Multi-stranded wire is more flexible and long lasting than one solid wire of same size. So here different wires are using depends on application, use the different gauges for heavy loading uh, or heavy applications use the large gauge, means it has to withstand for high current. Next one is the earthing. So to protect from shocks, earthing are using. So earthing or grounding purpose is to connect electrical conductors to the earth. Why do we need earthing? Protect personnel against electrical hazards like electric shock and electrocution. Safeguards protect electrical devices, appliances, power tools, machinery, etc. from current leakage. Damage from lightning to structures, installations, and the entire electric system by using lightning arresters. So, in transmission lines, use the lightning arresters of different ranges. Next, what are the earthing system types are present? In general, number of types are present, but here we are I am explaining only four types: plate earthing, pipe earthing, rod earthing, and last one chemical earthing. So here pipe earthing or rod earthing almost similar. Sometimes pipe or rod are same only. So plate earthing, what is a plate earthing? A copper plate or galvanized plate is buried in an earth pit below ground level. The plate electrode connects the electrical conductors to the earth. Next one, pipe earthing. A galvanized steel pipe inside the ground connects the electrical conductors to the earth. Rod earthing, similar to the pipe earthing, a copper rod replaces the pipe electrode. In pipe earthing, rod earthing, that is the only difference. The remaining procedure is same. Chemical earthing, similar to the pipe earthing, a chemical compound material replaces the charcoal and salt layers. So here only four earthing types are explaining, but in general number of methods or number of types are present. Next one, the choice of earthing method depends on. So here it depends on number of factors: service continuity requirement at different voltages, safety requirements for humans and equipment, possibility of over voltage, maintenance requirements, and cost consideration. So it depends on 5 factors. Next one, applicable standards. Applicable standards IS means Indian Standards 2309 to 1989 means Indian Standard for Protection of Buildings and Allied Structures against lightning. IS 3043 means Indian Standards 3043 means it is the Indian Standard Code of Practice for Earthing. And last one, Indian Electricity Rules 1956. So for designing the earthing, so must follow the electricity rules, means this IS 2309, 1989, IS 3043 and 1956. Next one, materials, equipments and tools are using in the earthing. Here Number of elements are present. So first one, Megger for earth resistivity testing, welding toolkit, excavator for earth pit excavation, copper wire or strip, GIR, copper plate, pipe or rod, coke or charcoal and salt, PVC wires, cement, bricks, funnel, wire mesh. So here Megger, to measure the earth resistance, use the Megger. Welding toolkit. So to weld the components using welding machine. Next, earth pit, copper wires, copper plate, pipe and rod. These are the main things. Next one, health, safety and health, safety and environment. So uh, execute all activities with due regard to health, safety and the environment of all the employees and third parties. So here some of the safety precautions we have to follow. Access for any underground and overhead electrical lines or some other obstructions, carry the work under the strict guidance and supervision, maintain adequate visibility at all times by providing appropriate lighting, report immediately any anomaly found in the components. Next one, personal protective equipment. The main four are the main major things to protection is very important. So the main four things are safety helmet, safety footwear, next safety glasses and safety gloves. These four are the main things. Next, what is the quality uh, is to maintain for earthing, make all arrangements as per the approved shop drawing. Next one, check all materials and fittings for quality and standards compliance, store materials according to the manufacturer instructions, check all connections for cleanliness, continuity and an appropriate amount of tightness. Make sure the specifications of components match with that specified in the approved shop drawing. Next, as per Indian Standards 3043, all earth connections shall be visible for inspection. So already I explained Indian standards. So next, earthing system installation shall enable testing of each earth electrode, and last one, conducts all required test and submit the results for approval. So these are the quality. So quality must be very important to to protect from shocks. So compulsory follow the Indian standard rules. So next one here, this is the plate earthing, single line diagram of plate earthing. So what are the major components are present? Earth pit, plate electrode, earthing connection and water connection. So each one and last one, inspection chamber. So earth pit, excavate and make an earth pit of size 900 mm into 900 mm into minimum 3.0 meter deep, level the bottom surface. Plate electrode, use GI plate of minimum size 600 mm into 600 mm into 6.3 mm thickness. In case of a copper plate, a minimum thickness of 3.15 mm can be used. Next one, earthing connection, fix two numbers of 50 mm into 6 mm GI strips to GI plate finely with GI nut, check nut, bolt nut and washer with each strip fixed to GI plate at two locations. Weld the GI strips to GI plate. Join the two strips at the bottom with a GI strip of the same size. Any loose earthing connection with the earth plate will have an adverse effect on the electrode system resistivity. Next one, water connection. So fix a 25 mm diameter GI pipe attached at the bottom with a funnel covered with wire mesh. Water poured through this pipe will keep the area surrounding the earth plate moistened. Backfill the excavated pit with soil free of stones and lumps. Next one, inspection chamber. Construct brick chamber of size 450 into 450 into 450 mm with 100 mm thick brick walls over a PCC layer. Keep 100 mm of the chamber above ground level. Cover the top with cast iron cover. So these are the main things. So earth pit, plate electrode, earthing connection, water connection, inspection, chamber. So everything following the Indian standards, rules, electricity only. So the approved design and drawing for fixing and laying of earth wires between the earth electrode and the electric room is very important. So this is a website for earthings with a neat explanation with pipes, everything they are given. So here, so what is the procedure? Means make a borehole of 500 mm diameter and 3.5 meters deep or as per the approved design and drawing. Lower the pipe electrode, make a 65 mm diameter GI perforated pipe of 3.0 meter length attached at the top with a funnel covered with wire mesh. A GI strip is fixed to the electrode to act as an earthing connection. For rod earthing, a copper rod of required diameter is used in place of the pipe. Fill the annular space between the electrode and borehole walls with alternating layers of coke and charcoal and common salt. Inspection chamber. Construct brick chamber of size 450 into 450 into 450 mm with 100 mm thick brick walls over a PCC layer. Keep 100 mm of the chamber above ground level. Cover the top with a cast iron cover. Follow the approved design and drawing for fixing and laying of earth wires or GI copper strips between the earth electrode and the electrical room. So next one, chemical earthing. The pipe earthing also same procedure. Next one, chemical earthing. So it is similar to the pipe electrode system. A chemical compound is used in place of alternate charcoal or coke and salt backfill material. The chemical compound eliminates the necessity of moistening the backfill by water pouring as in the case of conventional pipe electrode system. Due to this reason, chemical earthing is free of maintenance. Next one, the suggested description of pipe earthing. Supply and erection of GI earth pipe electrode 65 mm diameter at least 3.0 meter below ground with 40 kg alternate layers of charcoal and salt with wire mesh funnel for watering, 230 brick masonry chamber with dimensions 450 mm into 450 mm into 450 mm, CI cover 300 mm into 300 mm, 10 kg. So with necessary length of double GI earth wire number 6SWG bolted with lug to the plate and covered in 12 mm diameter GI pipe 3.0 meter long complete connected to the nearest switch gear with end socket and duly tested by earth tester and recording the results. Excavation work and making borehole are included in the scope of the contractor. So job to be executed as per approved drawing and technical specifications and as directed by engineer in charge complete. So here, so these are the earthing types. So plate earthing, pipe earthing, rod earthing and chemical earthing. Pipe or rod earthing almost similar. So to protection from various hazards and shocks, use the earthing. So for earthing, definitely follow the Indian standard rules and some precautions we have to follow. Compulsory follow the uh, electricity rules only. So I discussed today, I discussed the wires using in house wiring means domestic applications for TV, telephone wire, TV wire. Next, for so different gauges are present. Depends on application. Use the different gauges. Multi-stranded wires also present means connect to more than 2 or 3 layers. Use multi-stranded. So for heavy gauge or heavy applications, use multi-stranded wires. Next, so for automation, fiber optics. So different types of wires, different depends on application using. And next one, so to protect the house or anywhere, use from various shocks, use the earthing. Total 4 types explained. So for a different earthing, different applications are present. So thank you for watching this video.